So this is the free case that I got with the promotional code. The box looks like it's been well battered in the post. So I do think, I got this from Curry's, and I do think it would have benefited for what you pay for these things. Something more than a plastic bag would have been ideal, because I don't know if you can pick that up, but it's got all sorts of bangs and scratches and God knows what on the actual case. So first of all, I don't think they work as they're supposed to. It's got little tabs to pull open here. Oh, that one worked. There we go. Put that over there. So first of all, on this unboxing, I see a lot of people, when I looked at the reviews, a lot of people comment about protrusion of these camera lenses, and you can feel them, you can really feel them there, which normally you would have thought there would have been a bit more recessed and built in. Who doesn't love unboxing things? Yeah, I am tempted to say that it's nice, but I don't know what the thoughts were with this unboxing. This is just going to get destroyed. The tab there looks as if it's to just simply pull open. But it's not, it's just all glued together. So again, I would have expected something a bit more with a tab saying pull here. I do have a cover coming today from Amazon. I went for the 10 Plus simply because the Ultra it just felt like it was going to be far too big in my hand to be practical. I've got an older version of the Samsung Tab 6, which is slightly smaller than this, and equally again, I just found that the screen, it was lovely to hold in your hand, but could have done with being a little bit on the bigger side. So it really is a compromise on sizes. There's the S. This is the new S Pen, but that looks nice. You can't beat them for drawn on, not for that price. It gives, the rubber gives a bit of resistance across the screen. I do feel like this is a good size, and this is supposed to be flat on one side, because it magnetically clips to, there we go, to the different sides when you want to just out the way, or the case, which is invaluable, covers that up on the back, and we'll get to that when we unbox the case. Cable but no brick, which seems to be the standard these days. I think we've all got plenty of bricks kicking around somewhere. Universal, that's fine. You've got your little pin there for opening the SD card slot. Quick start guide, which proper men don't read instructions until they get stuck. What else have we here? Warranty guidelines. That's yes, the S10 definitely seemed to be the better option for me, for size wise. There wasn't much difference in not much difference in performance between the Ultra and the S10 Plus. And I see online most people have gone for the bigger screen, but I think I'll use the smaller one more. It'd be more convenient. I'm going to be even more successful. It's just the same kind of weird packaging. How much Samsung? Am I just doing this wrong? Looks like it's somehow glued together there. I feel like this. Is that it? Doing that doesn't feel terribly premium. That feels a bit better. I do have a very similar case on my Tab. Is it S6, A6, something like that? And of course, the exciting thing about this new keyboard, AI features. I really love AI stuff at the minute, although I think it's a little bit overhyped. I do use the AI quite a bit these days for making my life a little bit easier. So this should just magnetically clip to the back. That was, you see, oh, dirty there. Far too easy. Far too easy. And when you do that, that opens up for your pen. Also, because the camera's there, light. So that pen there will go. See, on the other thing, it shows you which way around it goes, but I'm guessing on the new one, it doesn't matter which way you put the pen. So, and then this just clips on there. And then that folds over. So, that is absolutely gorgeous. And you've got the kickstand out the back. And the kickstand is really important. And obviously you don't need the keyboard on for the kickstand. But you can just balance that on your stomach on a night time when you want to watch Netflix. How cool is that? I think this is absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to switch it on. So what I was going to say, which I want to point out, is that I do have, if I can find it here somewhere, an old version. See the size difference there. I think this one's like the S or the A6 or something like that. And they're exactly the same kind of setup, which is, it is fantastic, great pen and stuff like that. But I did notice I've cracked the screen on this, cracked the screen in many corners. So I will be very careful with it. And I've got a screen protector coming because you'd probably not be able to see this, but there is scratches, especially down here. And I think the scratches are from, if it's in your bag and the dust gets down in between and that's rubbing back and forward like that. So I think that's how the screens got damaged on here. in all honesty, it doesn't really bother us when I'm using it and the light's on, but it's just one of them things to take note this time around that I'm going to be a bit more careful. So I have ordered up the screen protector from Amazon, which should be arriving tonight. So with a bit of luck, I'll be able to put that footage on this as well as just fitting that screen protector and how I feel about that. But at the minute, I'm loving the size of this thing. So Samsung just is under the impression that you know exactly what to do anyway. There we go. It's firing up for the first time. Now we'll see, it's just got start there. And then we've got next. Restart. You don't want to get your country wrong. I am also planning to edit this video on this. I do have another phone, but in all honesty, I just want to keep it separate for now. I don't want all the junk on my phone coming across to my new laptop. I want to decide what I want in there. So I think for now I'm just going to leave that. Select a search engine. Or I think we're going to have to go Google for now. This set secure screen lock first. Let's register. Ah, you idiot. This is what you want, isn't it? This is what you want. Advanced intelligence. Drone assistant, all that kind of good stuff. I'd watched other reviews on the Ultra, same kind of setup. It all looks really exciting stuff. Photo assist, drone assist, all this new AI stuff coming through. Automated intelligence. You're all set up. Finish. As for now, as it stands, looks good. There's nothing drastically noticeable between the older versions of these tabs compared with this new one, but it's a really successful design, and that's probably why they've kept a lot of it. The one thing I've been dying to try out, oh yes, so I love these pens. I'm a proper note taker, and the stuff like turn your doodles into masterpieces. My doodles are masterpieces. Draw something. Okay. Let's draw something. Say your sketch. Right, start. Draw something. Are you going to remove this off the thing? Let's try a cat. Right, generally, I'll do. I tried this in curries and it didn't work. Oh wow! Look at that. That is super cool. Look at that. I mean, I just wanted to make a brief video about this, just the unboxing side of things, and then what I'll do is I'll add other videos as I go along on the different on the different aspects of stuff. But that's me just setting it up there now. I can't really play the music, but for what they are size wise, absolutely fine. So I have got a screen protector on order, but until then I'm just going to kind of do that just to stop it from I'm going to clean one, stop it from doing that sort of thing. But I find with this, like, there's a few times I've lifted it and it's come away from the base. So you just got to be kind of careful as to not that you would. You can pick it up by that, but it has come away from the bottom in certain scenarios. Now I'll have to see if I can edit this video using the software.